Apostol ST Msona.
Mana kubingelela abantu ukuthi obangakuwe kamanye Jesu. Our host kaBucebane sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusebenzise ukuthi uhlelele inkonzo. Inkonzo namhlanje. Bafundisi ngihlonipha ngokwama-ofisi enu namhlanje. Sithemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzakusibusisa. Sifunda izwi lenkosi encwadini uloba kade uxakuka ngicela uzosifundela angilekelele ukuba sikhethele ivesi yodwa ivesi ka-43. Let's meditate. Jesu wathi kuso ngiqinisile ngithi kuwe namuhla uzawuba nami paradise. Leli ke izwi lenkosi ibandla lithi amen. It's a response of Jesus Christ. Lesifundayo responding kwi-plea eyenziwa iselelesi. Kodwa kuzwa indaba yethu izwakale kahle kumele ukuthi uzwe amavesi angasehla. Amavesi angasehla asitshela ukuthi uJesu la ubethelwa nabantu ababili izalile eselelesi esinyengala esinyengala. Seqala ke ingxoxo yalesi selelesi lesi. Ingxoxo ke iqalwa ilesi esingala iselelesi sikhuluma noJesu. Sithi ke lesi ke kuJesu ke uma uyindodana kaNkulunkulu. Iqala nje the statement esinamandla esinconditional ngoba siqala the statement esithi if you are the son of God. Zisindise wena usindise nathi. Esingakwazi ukuthi ukuthathaphi mhlambe ke lesiselelesi lendaba esixoxayo sizwe laba baphansi based on verse number 39 amavesi angasehla. Amavesi angasehla sitshela ukuthi lama leaders, the Roman leaders, they were busy mocking Jesus Christ, saying if you are the son of God, save yourself. Seemingly nayo le ndoda yaba influenced ngoba uzwa sekusho yona futhi manje isho ke kuJesu yona. Ithi uma uyindodana kaNkulunkulu zisindise wena usindise nathi. uJesu uthula kasho lutho bese ungenelela lesesingala sikhulume nalesi selelesi. Ngikubiza ke ngalokho ukuthi is to seize the moment ngoba uJesu okhulunywa naye uthuli akasho lutho. Kodwa lesiselelesi esingala sesiletha ijudgment siletha kulo. Listen to the conversation. Uthi lona ke wena ukhuluma njengomuntu ongamesabi uNkulunkulu. Ngithuswa nje indlela yokuthi yena on the cross and igama lakhe ubizwa ngokuthi uyiselelesi. Sekunento entsha eseqondweni yakhe ethi umesaba uNkulunkulu. Uthi wena ukhuluma njengomuntu ongamesabi uNkulunkulu. Uqala ijudgment manje. Useshintsha ke inkulumo useyibhekisa ke kuJesu. Khona into eshuliselelese namandla engiqamba ngokuthi mina salvation must be revealed. I'm saying salvation is a revelation. Listen to this man. Uthi uze ungikhumbule akasho ukuthi uzube nami. Kodwa uthi uze ungikhumbule uma ufika nje eparadise now. What I'm saying is a revelation. ukuthi laba bobabili balenge esiphambanweni. Isibiza ukuthi iselelesi A, iselelesi B. Kodwa kwakhona into embule kakhulu selelesi B ukuthi noma silenga la sisobathathu kodwa lo akasona iselelesi. Kunento ayionayo. Ngoba uthi uzube nami. Uzumkhumbule. Uma ufika nje eparadise lakho ubona into abanye abangayiboni. Umuntu ochaza igazi kodwa ubona ukuthi lo he own a paradise. Akuda ukukhumbula uma ufika kulo. Khona lento embuleka kuleselelesi ukuthi indaba ayipheli ekufeni. Kunendawo ekiwe kuyona after death and igama layo iparadise. I wonder who told him ukuthi lo sihleba naye la noma sihleba sobabili kodwa kafani nathi sonke sita-grade silenze esiphambanweni kodwa lo uona into ogama layo iparadise elakhe iparadise elakhe wena ubona umuntu okumele ukuthi umthole nje umguqe
kanti khona iona
ungabhabhi ngesikhathi sokucela umusa. You better seize the moment. Kwangesona isikhathi sokudlala. Let's put the condition of this man. Let's put the condition of this man. Jwale manje wabona ukuthi yabona ke manje. Yabona manje. Akudlala kuyafika futhi la indaba okufayina double. Bona nje umuntu ayenza umthandazo manje lo ngiyambona uzakwethu lo isikhathi sokudlala mina ngiyabona ukuthi manje there's no turning back. So I remember yabona uJesu masakhuluma lo nalo aka-entertain indaba until it was directed to him. And listen to the response of Jesus. And Jesus responded and said, today you shall be with me. uJesu mephendula umthandazo walo umnika lo angacelanga. Lo ucela ukuthi akhunjulwe. uJesu damisa ukukhumbula uzakuba nami. Isiqondiso okuncane lapha inkohlale phansi. Akazange lo oselelezi athi uma uJesu ephendula azange uJesu athi namhlanje ngizokuba nawe. Kodwa wathi uJesu namhlanje wena uzokuba nami. Noma ucela ukuthi ngikukhumbule. Mina I want to give you more than that. Angizukukhumbula kuphela. Kodwa wena uzokuba nami. In other words, akususuka mina where I am. Here where you are. Baba wena uone lutho. Wena kumele usuke where you are and come where I am. Because I own the paradise. What do we see there?
Apostles.
Into esibonayo abathandekayo. It's a powerful promise. I wanted to pay attention to the response of Jesus. Because the theologians abuzana umbuzo othi umethi today iqala nini today yakhe.
Okay. But immediately
Qala nini today because Jesus said today you will be with me. He didn't say today I will be with you. Rather he said today you will be with me. And just I pick his little paradise. In my paradise. And he confirms what I own paradise. I am the paradise. I want to conclude now. I want to conclude because it's 5 minutes. manje nake umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi iqala nini today, because ukuphendula kwami lo mbuzo ngizobe ngikhahlele ezinye inkolelo ezithi there is a waiting period, because ezinye imfundiso zithi umuntu mefa uya endaweni ethile yokulinda, alinde kuze kube khona imithandazo ethile eyenziwa abathile. uJesu akayiqonda yokulinda, ukuthi uJesu uzoba nami today, uzoba nami noma ungakayivumi izono zakho, noma ungakalihambi iklasi, noma ungakaqiniswa, noma ungazange ubhajatiswe, kodwa mina ngizoba nawe today. Bengisakhuluma indaba yokuthi besibuza umbuzo obathandekayo othi look at the condition of this man. This man, he knew ukuthi manje alikho elinye ithuba yilo lona leli. This man, he was in agony. The man was in pain. The man was in a helpless situation. Banenhlanhla abantu. uNkulunkulu abambulela umusa wakhe go last moment, and the gentleman, he sees the moment of salvation. Apostle Paul uyabhala wabaseKorinto chapter 5 ukuthi to be absent from the body is to be present in the Lord. Kabani mazo uJesu wathi ke uma nje uphuma manje emzimbeni from now, so manje nje you will be with me, because ungabe bikho emzimbeni kusho kuba nayo inkosi. That a great promise. Leselelesi sathola isethembiso esimangalisayo. And this is one as I close. Yes. Uthi Jesu will listen. I want to go back up a bit. Jesu very early. In King James uphinde kabili. Yena uhumusho usebesigaba Lord uthe truly. Uma esho njalo athi theologians usuke ethi umbhali lapho le statement engishoyo asinaguquka. Uzoba nami, and no one can change it. Ubani lo shola wamazwi? It is Jesus Christ. Ubani lo shola wamazwi? The owner of the paradise. Ubani lo shola wamazwi? Ilothe yena. I am the way, the truth, and the life. There is no one who can come to my Father except by me. Ama interpreters the Bible athi paradise. The old translators, they say it's heaven. But to be safe, what is a paradise? Is a place where God is. Uma namhlanje uvale amehlo, ungabi isiphukuphuku nesulu, ungazi uzowavulela kuphi. Uma ufa ukufa kokuhlakanipha, ifa nje umuntu ohlakaniphileyo, mbone umuntu who owns the paradise.